Everybody, good evening, good morning, whenever time you're watching this. We have had a few chicks born because this mummy was broody. We put a couple of eggs, about 5 or 6 eggs underneath her, and 2 hatched. And she's been in this cage. Let me just move around to this cage. In this cage for a while now. Chicks are still quite small, as you can see if I can get around there.
Tiny.
Without them running. Oh, there they go.
The
So-
chicks don't have names if anyone's interested.
I don't know if you heard, the chicks don't have names, so any suggestions welcome. Please keep it clean. So with
And not Christmas dinner or Easter or Thanksgiving.
Pat's birthday money, we went out and bought this little beauty, which is a gazebo with mosquito netting all around it. And what we've done is put batten at the bottom, stapled the bottom of the gazebo to it, and then if you see on the outside you've got cement concrete blocks
Not that we're paranoid.
to hold it in place. Yeah, around we go again. Eventually they'll go into that bit over there.
Well, eventually we're cutting the hole in there so everyone can come into here, aren't they?
You see a little chick. The chicken you can see, the big one, is a strange breed. Everything about her is black.
I've forgotten the
Black
name of
legs, black head, black bones, black flesh.
Organs.
And she's very, very highly strung,
She's
as you can
a
see.
nightmare.
Anything gives her a heebie-jeebies. So we're going to leave her now. We're just going to sit down and keep her company for a little bit
Be honest.
and have a beer.
Cheers. Cheers, peeps.
It's been a long day. Oh, there's their food and everything. Water, food,
Foot bath.
foot bath, spa, jacuzzi. So we'll let them leave them in peace now.